All right, guys, today we've got an unboxing video from the big dog, Beardbrand. Stay tuned. Brian Haywood here, back with my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews. We also do a beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures to the email address below and a brief description about what kind of advice you're seeking. I take a little while to ponder things and see what kind of options I can come up with. And then you guys get featured in your own beard advice series videos. So we're having a great time with that. But today we've got a little unboxing from Beardbrand. All right, so they've got some new products on the market. So some people are Beardbrand haters, but I am not. I'm a Beardbrand lover. If it was not for Beardbrand, I would not be in the bearded community because after growing out my beard for No Shave November, I kept it going. And then about halfway through December, I found the Beardbrand YouTube channel and really got into trying to figure out how to shape my beard and trim my beard and the products and watching all the barber series where they're doing trims and stuff. So that's kind of what sucked me in. So we're going to talk a little more about Beardbrand a little bit later, but if you want to see the top of the line kind of marketing and the gold standard, if you will, then this is it. All right, so in the box, it's all wrapped up nice with black tissue paper. It's got the little sticker holding bless me, holding everything together. So let's take that off. And we've got packing peanuts. Do you guys think these are premium packing peanuts? I don't know. They look premium to me. That's what we'll go with. Anyway, let's take those out and make a mess. Had a little small order here that I placed. Oh, I see a little sample that they throw in. So they always throw in some sample of something, whether it's some sort of balm or oil sample, or this one is Temple Smoke Beard Softener. Temple Smoke's one of my favorite scents. And I haven't tried the beard softener, and it's got a little piece of plastic there over the top, so I won't open it any further than that. Let's see what else we've got. So we've got invoice, we've got information about that beard softener that they sent me. And let's see what else we've got. We've got a nice little envelope with a gold stamped logo on it. Let's see what's in it. So just advertising for products, et cetera, et cetera. And then on this side, thick something here. Keep on growing. What is this? That's basically a little notepad. Okay, but it's got their mission over on this side. Freedom, hunger, and trust. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I won't take the time to read through all that. But nice little memento there. And let's get into the products. Okay, so this one should be two things in here. Styling tools. I'd already tried all the scents, so they didn't have a new scent release or anything like that. But they now have their own round brush. Greg Brzezinski, a couple years ago, had a video where he's using the round brush to style, and everybody kept asking, where can we buy this round brush? So they finally now have their own round brush, and I really suggest everybody should have one. This one's got boar's hair on it, so my beard's a little bit curly, so it might be too curly for this. I would tell you, whenever you get a new beard tool, it takes a while to see if you can make it work or not. Like when I first got Kent comb, I couldn't really get it through my beard. But now I can. So it just takes a little bit of time to get used to things. But I already have several different types of round brushes. And you basically need to find one that's got the right amount of spacing on the tines or the bristles. This bristle type is more plastic. You've got some that are plastic hybrid with boar's hair, and this one's a little bit too big for your beard unless it's really big. I could actually use it, but you curl it under here. You use it to kind of straighten things out when you're using the hair dryer and kind of make it bump out. and attack those waves. So now I have this one to try out. So I'll be trying that out. I forgot how much it was. Hold on a second. All right, so this brush is $28. So definitely on the high end side. So what I'm going to be doing is checking it out, seeing if I like it, but also probably going to Walmart or looking on Amazon. I think I've got some Amazon cards coming, I think, and maybe see if I can find something comparable and just to kind of compare it in my final review. But it won't have the Beardbrand logo on it. Unless I can take this sticker off. No, it's not a sticker. So no, it won't have the Beardbrand logo like this one. But I'm definitely going to check that out. And then I've got one more grooming tool that they just came out with. More black tissue paper. And it is $22. And it is a little travel brush. Okay, so I had a gift card to spend. So you spend $50, you get free shipping. I had a $50 gift card, $28, $22, $50 I got out for $0. But this one is, I'm interested in this one because of the smaller size, about where you can get on your beard, but also this big massive mustache. I got to see how it's going to work on it. So it looks like it's going to work very well. I'll kind of compare sizes and once again see if I can find anything comparable that's going to be cheaper somewhere else. And if I have time and means to do it, I'll order it and kind of compare them for you. But be looking for more videos on styling tools coming up later, okay? So I just want to do that brief unboxing and remind you guys to please use a round brush if you don't have one. Check out my morning routine video. I'll try to put a link and you can kind of see how I use the round brush to straighten everything, also to attack the waves, and also at the very bottom to get it to kind of curl under just a little bit. All right, so check that out and we'll see you guys for the next one. Thanks.